Hi lovelies, Deb here. Yesterday I went out to an estate and packaged up a box of goods. The lady wanted to have a garage sale on the weekend, and I always love it when people ring and say, Deb, do you want to come and have first look? And of course I say yes, even though I shouldn't, because I've got many boxes to unpack still. But I saw this and couldn't resist. It's actually got things in it, so I haven't even looked at the maker yet, but that just screamed 1930s to me. Look at that beautiful pottery and colours, maybe Australian. So let's dig in and see what we got. So this is my box. It's an old crate. I usually like to have my nice clear plastic boxes that I can stack, but I've got so many full boxes at the moment. This is all I could find, and I had a bit of tissue paper in it, and of course I ran out of paper, so I used some of the doilies that were there to wrap. So let's go through this and see what we've got. Okay, so firstly is this beautiful vase I showed you. Now I'm going to empty it. I think it's got hairpins. Yes, vintage hairpins, and it's obviously been quite well loved. And on the bottom is a 208. So that could be, it could be an Australian pottery, or it could be a English bezic or something like that. But rough guess, I'm going to say this is worth about $55, which is usually my cap in the shop for things, actually, because in Australia, once you hit $55, there's a heap of paperwork you've got to do when you sell something. So even if it's worth more than that, unless I put it on the website and get people's details, that's what I sell things for. Love it. And then I thought this little glass vase also went beautifully with that, and that'll be a nice little staging photo with something else. These are always popular. Usually sell them for about 20. Now, why was this container so heavy? The major thing was this decanter, which is just beautiful. I think it's just a pressed glass rather than crystal. Maybe crystal. Once we polish it up, it'll be beautiful. And I got a couple of glasses that are going to sit beautifully with this. Now, in the doily, I have got a lusterware shell vase. What does that say? Rainham. So this is a great Australian pottery vase. I do get one of my favourite florists popping in now and then for these lusterware vases. They're great for arrangements that they fan out, and they also make great planters, especially for air plants and succulents. As to that, it's really a tablecloth, isn't it? Not a doily. And the lady whose house it was a real craftswoman, so she made lots of beautiful things. I got this shell, also heavy. I thought it was 2 shells at first, but it's just 1. Also great for little plants or for soap in the bathroom and trinkets. I just love shells, are always useful. And these 2 little frosted glass press dishes interested me. They sort of stack. I'm actually not quite sure what they are, so I'll have to do a bit of research. Maybe they went in a tray and there are a couple of them, but that's all I found. Yeah, what else can I? Oh, so there was a bit of this. This is always popular in the shop. Jasperware by Wedgwood, little trinket dishes. That one looks like it might be a Aries plate. I think I got another couple of vases there. So yeah, you can see the stamp on the bottom. It's always popular. Got a set of books. Hardcover books are always great for staging, and these are going to look particularly good in this set of bookends. Oh, again, another reason this box was so heavy. Love that. This little vase, I'm not quite sure what it is, but I just thought it was really cute. Might be handmade. Oh, and this one, the green Jasperware. Isn't that a beautiful colour? That might be a keeper. Fabulous plate. Not old, but I love ships. Going to the map room. Another plate, handmade pottery. Looks like a fish to me. Little feet. Super cute. How's that? Aqua glass canister. Fabulous. And oh, these are the glasses that match the decanter, I think. So I've got a couple of them. And oh, more Jasperware. And a fabulous tray. Always perfect for putting your decanters on. And another Australian product. Right, so I think that is about it. Double check. Oh, hold on, one more thing. A little green, I'm going to go kiwi, New Zealand kiwi, I think. Sort of looks like a kiwi fruit too, doesn't it? And that's quite heavy. Love it. Right, so I'll clean these all up and put them together and show you what they look like.